Here's how you can download watchOS 11 on Apple Watch. Apple's famous smartwatches are set to receive some exciting updates in watchOS 11 with a new Vitals app to keep tabs on your important health metrics and training load to help you optimize your workouts. Moreover, the capability to set more granular targets for your activity rings or even take a day off from closing them. New and extended workouts include distance and route maps and enhanced swimming pools. However, Apple is leaving some Apple Watch models behind this year. watchOS 11 is only available for the 2020 Apple Watch Series 6 and newer models. This includes the Apple Watch Ultra and Apple Watch SE 2, while leaving out the original Apple Watch SE since, although that model was launched the same year as the Series 6. Once your iPhone's running iOS 18, you're set to install watchOS 11 on your Apple Watch. You can easily do this from your Apple Watch or your iPhone. GadInsider has a step-by-step guide to installing watchOS 11 on the Apple Watch. Open the Watch app on your iPhone or the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Select General. Select Software Update. The watchOS 11 update should appear. Place your Apple Watch on a charger and ensure that it's in range of your iPhone and connected to Wi-Fi. Select Install Now to begin installing watchOS 11. Meanwhile, it may take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour to download the update, prepare it, and then install it on your Apple Watch.